highly capable individuals. So वो जो self leader है, if I'm doing my job proper, if I'm achieving my results and I'm successful, so I'm highly capable individual. उसके ऊपर है, upper level है, एक second stage है, when I'm contributing, not only solo player I'm contributing, but also I'm impacting on the teams, on my colleagues positively. तो वो हो जाएगा contributing team member is higher than the solo achiever. Then is somebody who is competent manager, who is leading the team. Then is the effective leader, who also not only thinks out of the box, initiative and all those things, and then the executives. But I'll share with you what makes specific to this level 5 leader. Level 1 leader वो है highly capable individual, makes productive contribution through talent, knowledge, skill and good work habits. So that makes you level 1 leader. Level 2 is somebody who is contributing and also contributing toward group, bigger group. Level 3 is competent manager, organizes people, resources toward the effective, वही जो efficient goal of the organization achieve करना. Then you have level 4 leader, catalyzes commitment to and vigorously pursue the pursue of a clear and compelling vision. Vision जो हमने बात की थी leader की, stimulates the group to high performance standards. ये है level 4 leader. और level 5 कौन सा है? जो कि builds enduring greatness through a paradoxical combination of personality, personal humility and professional will. तो उन्होंने ये देखा कि दो चीजें बहुत कॉमन थी उन इंडिविजुअल्स में जो उसके सीईओज थे, और उनमें थी ह्यूमिलिटी नंबर 1 और स्ट्रांग विल. ये दो चीजें कॉमन थी टू मेक कंसिस्टेंट परफॉर्मेंस ओवर 15 इयर्स. अब ह्यूमिलिटी का आपको बताऊं तो उसके भी उन्होंने रिसर्च की कि ह्यूमिलिटी कैसे आती. तो उसमें बहुत सारे लीडर्स ऐसे थे जिनका बाप बचपन में मर गया, या जिनको कोई अजीब तरह से कोई चोट लग गई, तो कोई ना कोई ऐसी उनको पहुंचा शॉक पहुंचा जिसने उनको और अच्छा कर दिया इन देयर लाइफ. तो ह्यूमिलिटी इज समथिंग विच इज ऑन टॉप ऑफ एवरीथिंग. ये हम्बलनेस, ह्यूमिलिटी इज द वन जो कि वो आती है कि which is impacting on your attitude, on your commitment and not only on performance. तो effective leader आपको बनाती है. Humbleness, humility gives you long term success. आपको आपकी stubbornness, आपकी authoritarian things make you temporary leader but don't make you permanent leader. वो कहते हैं ना leader वो है वो कि आपको supervise कर रहा हो और आपको पता ही न चले you have been supervised. So that is the portion of that one, humility and the strong will. So this is a combination of these two. This is another one, there are other drivers also, it's not only humility or strong will तो उन्होंने common देखी हर एक में, but there were some other factors also. हर individual के अपने अपने strengths थी which made them different. We do have good to great leader also start and deal with the vision. Vision जो है, strategy second. So we also had discussed in the morning. अगर हम list देखें तो you said के leader is somebody who gives vision to the team. So strong vision is very very important. Strategy second. They get the right people on the bus. ये भी हमने discuss किया था in the morning कि आप ही में से किसी ने बताया था कि यूटिलाइजिंग राइट रिसोर्सेज, राइट मैन एट द राइट जॉब, that is also one of the area that makes you a good leader. Then move the wrong people off, that is also very very important, or at least you place them in a different at the right place where their place is. Also the right people to the right seats and determine where to drive. This was just I'll skip. Now I think this was also, हमने बात की थी डिसिप्लिन की, कि राइट डायरेक्शन, और तो good organizations have 3 forms of disciplines. One is the disciplined people, they have disciplines teams, they have disciplined thought. You don't need to have bureaucracy in the organization, and disciplined action. You don't need to have excessive control. You have to empower, but the action should be desirable, not undesirable. This is something further building on the level 5 leadership. वो जो है inherently they were humble. One of the level 5 leader को बिल गेट ने मिलना था, और उसको मिलना था for about maybe half an hour, and Bill Gates met him for 8 hours because he was so impressive, otherwise. और फर्क ये है, आपने देखा होगा, there are some leaders they are for personal projection, and there are some leaders they are for their institutional projection. जो रियल ह्यूमिलिटी वाला लीडर होता है वो अपनी पर्सनल प्रोजेक्शन नहीं चाहता. जो हम्बल लीडर है वो अपने बहुत फेम नहीं चाहता. जो इंस्टीट्यूशन के लिए काम करते हैं दे डोंट नीड देयर पर्सनल. आप अदीब रिजवी या ईदी को देखें तो दे डोंट नीड पर्सनल प्रोजेक्शन एंड दे डोंट वांट. उसमें आपको जो ह्यूमिलिटी वाली चीज ज्यादा नजर आएगी. And there are some business leaders, they project themselves. They have so many media people to project them on the screen more and more. Again, जो अच्छे लीडर हैं वो खुद अपने आप को अकाउंटेबल बनाते हैं. कहते हैं कि if something goes wrong, they say I'm responsible. They take full responsibility of anything which has happened other way around. और वो क्रेडिट अपनी टीम को देते हैं, वो खुद क्रेडिट नहीं लेते. और आपने देखा होगा, आपने काम किया होगा, there are some people वो आपके काम का भी क्रेडिट लेना चाहते हैं, और there are some people वो वाकई आपको क्रेडिट भी देना चाहते हैं. सो यू हैव डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ इंडिविजुअल्स इन आवर वर्क एक्सपीरियंस. जी now there was a question, are leaders born leaders or they can be developed or they can be made? आपको मैं बताऊं कि my son who was बहुत अच्छा स्टडी में, जब वो 2nd क्लास में था तो वो इंटरेक्ट नहीं करता था बच्चों के साथ, and I was worried though he was always first or second in the class, लेकिन मुझे वरी ये थी कि how he will interact at his workplace. So he will not be very successful, because आपको एक और चीज बताऊं, if interpersonally you are not successful, you will not be successful in professional life. I'm not saying कि आप मक्खन लगाएं या बहुत ज्यादा expressive हों, but at least interpersonal skills are extremely important. Networking आजकल जो पिछले 10-15 साल से नेटवर्किंग इज द वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एलिमेंट